I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing, update iOS and install Google Pay, then sign in with your Google account. Once done, tap Add Payment Method and use your camera or type card details. This speeds verification. Make sure your billing address matches the card. After adding, Google Pay will request bank verification. Follow the SMS or app prompt. If prompted, set a passcode inside the app for quick approval. These first steps get you ready to pay online and in supported apps. Next, you use Google Pay for purchases inside apps and on mobile websites. When checking out, choose Google Pay as the payment method. Once selected, confirm the card and complete any CVV or bank verification. You'll see a tokenized payment appear. That's why it's secure. Remember, because iOS restricts NFC to Apple Pay, you cannot tap to pay with Google Pay at physical terminals on iPhone. Instead, rely on an app, web checkouts, or the Google-issued physical card, if available. Finally, complete your purchase and check the Google Pay activity feed to confirm success and save the receipt. If you need contactless at a store, use Apple Pay or a Google-issued physical card, because iPhone won't let Google Pay use NFC. If a transaction fails, make sure your card is verified, your device region matches the card, and Google Pay has necessary permissions. Restart the app or reinstall if needed. If bank verification stalls, contact your card issuer to clear holds quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.